Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to create a high converting Fiverr profile. Stay tuned. So I think it's fair to say that the competition out there is really stiff, okay? It doesn't matter how good you are, you will still have competition. And this competition won't necessarily come from people that are sort of at the same level of your skill set or even higher. It could just come from somebody that's maybe optimized their profile better than you have on Fiverr. So let's go and let us optimize our profile so that we can have a winning profile. So the first thing you need to do is let's go in over here to your profile picture, click on profile, and here make sure that you've got your country selected. You've got a nice little title. It says exactly what you're about, and add in all of the languages that you would like to add into your Fiverr profile. Make sure that you can actually speak these languages. Click on this pencil icon next to your display name. Make it straight to the point, nice and simple. Don't do anything funky there. It's not a user tag. Don't put in there like funky creator or like anything weird. Just put in your name, keep it simple, keep it professional. We're going to come down over here. We've got an about section. If you click on this, you will see you'll have 600 characters at your disposal. Make sure that you fill it with SEO optimized keywords. My people, add in as much detail as possible within those 600 characters. And make sure that it tells people exactly what you're about, what type of work you do, and what kind of standards you hold. Go and click on Start Portfolio. Add in as many portfolio projects that you've done in the past before you started using Fiverr, so that people can see who you are, what you've done in the past, what type of work you do, and so that your profile looks full. It doesn't look like you literally just jumped on here and you're like, okay, now somebody approached me for work. Optimize the profile. You'll need an introductory video. This will help you just make a connection with potential clients and to show them a little bit of your personality, especially if you're working within like video production or like UGC videos or YouTube kind of video production, that kind of thing. Make sure that there's an introductory video. Also, if you're not doing that sort of thing, people still want a personality. They don't want to work with a robot. Otherwise, they would have just hired a robot. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that you connect with your clients. We've got work experience here. This will allow you to display where you've worked previously so that you can showcase your expertise and, again, show people what you're worth and what type of work you do. We've got skills and expertise here. Add in as many skills and expertise as you can. Make sure that, let me just show you there. If we go in here, you can add the skill and then also the experience level. Try not to lie about this, okay? I've got mine all at intermediate because I have not been professionally trained to do anything that I do. Everything I do is self-taught, but I'm not a beginner because I have actual field experience. So make sure that this is appropriate. Add in all of your education. Now, I'm not saying that you need to add in like your primary school or your high school or like whatever school you went to. It would be good so that you can complete your profile, but add in stuff that is like secondary education, like if you went to college or if you went to university and you studied something and you actually got a degree for it, add it in there. If you got any certificates, let's say you got something in law or medicine, whatever, add it in there because people are going to look at this and go, this person is a professional. Now, on the right hand side, you can see my profile strength now is 8 out of 12 because I need to still add in all of these sections over here. So I need to add in all of these guys. And when you're done, you're going to come over here to your profile picture. I believe it's in account settings. We want to come over here in account settings, and here the identity verification. You want to make sure that you click on this, go ahead and verify your identity. You'll add in an email address, a cell phone number. You'll verify those two contact details. You will also go ahead and you'll upload a selfie as well as an ID document. So people on Fiverr can actually see that you're verified. You'll get a little badge next to your name and they can see that you're a real person. And this will all help you to land your first job on Fiverr and help you just optimize your profile. The one key thing that I need to add here is when you are managing this profile, make sure that you're updating this as frequently as possible when your skill set changes, as well as when you gain different skill sets or when you are just gaining more experience within a certain discipline or skill set. Make sure that you stay relevant. And if you really want to see what the competition looks like, go ahead and click on switch to buying. Go and search exactly what you do and see what people are charging. Search and have a look at what their profiles look like. and see if you actually stand a chance against the stiff competition.